Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Hotjar. So Hotjar is a website analytics tool that can give you a total overview about A to Z every analytics that depends that actually related to your website and all the activities that actually currently happen on your website. So you have to sign into Hotjar to get all of this analytics. So by that Hotjar analytics, you can improve your UX or UI, so and the users expectations, or you can actually reduce the bounce rate, and you can actually increase the CTA, and also the other thing that actually help you to generate a pretty much good revenue from your website. So first you have to go to hotjar.com, and then you can simply click on get started or get started for free button here. Then it is time to register for a new account, so you can continue with your full name, your email address, and you can add a password. So the password should be 8 characters minimum, and 1 uppercase and 1 lowercase letter at least. So I'm going to continue with my Google account. So I have to simply tap on this icon here to accepting their this privacy and policy. Then simply I'm going to go with this Google account here. Now it is loading the dashboard, but first it will personalize the experience for me. So where's your organization name? You can add any organization name, like I'm going to add how to simple take. Yes, that's our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And here it is. Now how many employees work at your organization? So select any of them. Now where's your role? So you can select your roles from here. So like anything optimization, yes, I don't want to because what do you like to do first? So what do you want to do first with Bidger? So this Hotjar actually, so identify potential initiatives, prioritize initiatives, explore solutions, execute solutions, and monitor performance. So first I want to monitor the performance, so simply click on it. Now next, where do you want to gather insights? So you can select any URL. So I'm going to select my Shopify store URL here. So there it is, and I'm going to copy that. This is a random domain that actually I have a free domain. So discover how your user really feels. So lowest scroll level, not likely at all. You can add anything or skip it. I'm going to skip that. Now get direct user feedback. So you can get the direct user feedback if you want. So create feedback button if you want. So I'm going to skip it right now also. So here is the setup process. That first you have to copy this code here. This code actually will help you to get this Hotjar run on your web page. So this can actually get all the analytics about your this web page and website, and also the behavior of your traffic. So you have to paste it this code into the header section of every page where you want to track user behavior or collect feedback. To make sure everything is ready, verify that your code is installed. So you can verify your installation after inserting this code in every header section of every page where you want to get tracked. So here is installed with a team member's help, or you can install on a platform if you want. So you can get different type of platform. So in WordPress this is enough. So if you have WordPress site, so you can copy this code here. But if you are a Shopify user, then you have to copy this tag here, because Shopify doesn't actually support HTML. It supports the liquid code. So here it is. So you have to copy that. Here you can see I have just copied it, and you can view the installation guide here. So simply click on it, and here is the installation guide here. So first you have to go to the themes, then simply click on edit code here. Then you have to find the theme.liquid. When you find that code source, you have to add this code before the close head tag. So you have to paste it, and then you have to save that, and then you are good to go. So let's see how if it works. So like themes, I'm going to three dot button here. Now edit code here, and from here we have to search. Here is the theme.liquid here. So we have to find that find that greater than close head. Yeah, and next, here it is. So here is the code, so you can search like this. So we have to paste that code before this head close head tag. So it is for me in 300 rows, so you can find it between this 215 to 350 row here. So I'm going to copy that code here from here, and here it is. So we are going to copy it again. Now I'm going to paste it in that section here. So here you can see I have just pasted it. So like this we are going to save it. Now you can see I have just saved that code here. So remember that this script to this, or you can actually remember the row here. Like I'm going to write down the row. Like it is started from 299 to 309. So I have just note down the row limit here. So we are going to save that, and we are going to exit that from that exit, and here we are going to verify the installation. Simply click on verify the installation here. So this is the web page here. Now let's see how it's verified. So it is my website is here. You can see the installation is successfully. So make sure that you have added your website first, that actually you have added on your make sure that you are on the perfect web page, or that I have just actually added before earlier in this video. Then you can add that tag here, and it definitely will be installed on your site. So here it is. So I have just installed it. Now here you can find different type of template that you can use. So let's take a look on the template. So here's the page issues template, here is new release template, here's the marketing template, or you can start from scratch. So I'm going to get with this page issue. So content URL, you can select the URL. So where is the issue, and here is the new release, where you can find you can actually insert the product page link, and here is the marketing page link, where you can add a marketing campaign here. So I'm get to the homepage here. Now here is the site overview. So you can find the site overview. Actually this is actually a new page of mine, that's why there's no session actually, and it's not launched yet because I don't have added any code here, any domain here. So that's why it's not active. So here is site overview, that you can see there's no traffic. So but I'm going to explain you each and every part from here. Like here you can see I'm on that, and this eye icon is actually showing you that how much people is watching your site overview. So here is an aggregate view of your all data, like all session here. So here you can see the time limit, date limit here, you can set it, and you can also add some filter if you want. So now from here you can find the total session, that how much traffic you got. Now average session duration, you can find the bounce rate, how much session duration, how much time the traffic was exploring your web page, the average page session, how many page the traffics are searching for, and here is the bounce rate here. That bounce rate is actually the rate if for example someone come to your web page and they immediately get back to your web page and switch to another website. So that's mean the bounce rate, and it is a negative rating for your web page. So as lower as bounce rate as you have, so you will get the best results from the Google, so in the ranking factors. Now here are the top pages. You can find the top pages who got the best impression and click and interactions. Now here's the page overview. You can get all page health here and the activities. Now rich clicks, how many clicks you got in how many pages. Then the page with rich click, you can find the specific pages with the most rich click. Then the top traffic channel, which channel or which page has got top traffic in this time duration. And then the page with I have already added. Now new versus returning, so you can find the new traffic and returning traffic, the old traffic that actually returning. So you can find the overview from here. And the technology, top countries, from which country you will get you are getting most traffics, and the loyal traffic. So you can also add some widgets from here, add from a template, you can add it from here template, like page overview, rich click here, page overview, you can add it. So page overview, I'm going to add the dashboard here. So here you will get all the pages overview from here. So it's not giving me any make sure that you have added active web page. So that's how you can add more widgets in your this Hotjar. Now here is the dashboard here, so you can create a new dashboard if you want. So that's how you can create a new dashboard. So now let's work for. So this is a get started section where you can actually get started with your Hotjar. So you can create a session replace here. You can add a heat maps that actually help you to quickly get an overview of user data on clicks, moves, and scroll access. So you can view replace here, so session replace here. So let's see, this is for the session replies. So you can find all of the session replies that actually added here. You can find it from new user, raise click, and returning users if you have any. Now here is the heat map. So where we can actually set up a heat map. So we are going to now launch a new heat map, or you can launch a tutorial to see how you can add a heat map. So URL is, you can is URL is, or URL is exactly your contest, URL start with, URL ends with. You can add anything. So I'm going to add my URL here. I can copy my URL and paste it here. So select device. So no data found from this page. Actually this is not active, that's why it's showing that. But let me find a web page here for anything like airsoft gun here, guns here. Now I'm going to find a page. So for example this page here. So I'm going to copy these pages here. So if this page's owner is watching this video, then I have a message for you. You have a pretty good choice within this airsoft gun, and it's pretty good actually. So I love your web page here. So it has already not data because I actually don't added this on my Hotjar. So you have to add your perfect link on that. Now from here, let me show you where it was now. This is actually the heat maps where you can create a heat map. So you can simply click on it and you can add your URL from here. And let me show you the rest of the things. Here is surveys. So you can create surveys on your web page. So you can get a surveys from your web page actor about your UI and UX of your website. Now you can simply click on new survey. So collect feedback, you can simply click on collect feedback, and you can find a template where you can create a feedback section. So here is that you can add a reaction, long text answer or short text answer, or you can add email, so they can actually give you answer through the email. You can add some radio buttons, check boxes, 1 to 5 rating scales, or 1 to 7 net promoter score, and statements. So you can get it like this. You can get all of the overview from here, just like it will show up like this. If I choose the 1 to 5 ratings, so here it will like this. How would you rate your experience? You can select it. Now the reaction is here. Now you can make it required, but that means the mandatory section. You have to the person have to give you feedback, so they can actually feedback with their experience here with these expressions. Now you can add the text here. You can change the text of this section here. You can add images if you want, so you can change the emojis here, or you can add some stars here if you want star rating. So you can simply click on it. So this is actually free, so proceed check out. This is actually the free version. So we will talk about the paid version later in this video, but for now it's enough. And from here you can just easily customize the survey if you want. So you can go with different types of surveys from here. So here you can find another survey, you can find another survey here. You can find the 4 type of surveys that you can use. So that's pretty much good to create to get us review and some suggestion about your web page, and you can actually solve the issue if anyone faces any issues though. So here is interview. So you can create a project from scratch from here for your interview, or you can simply click on new project here. You can test the usability of a prototype or live website. You can test your website from here. You can run it and you can test it, and you can actually recognize all the issue that you have on your website as a user. Now here is test. This is also for testing your web page here. So you can add your projects here, or you can test a page one by one to recognize all of this problem here. Like prototype, test a prototype with input from real users, then identify bugs and pain points in key flows, see how real users interact with your product features. So you can get all the analytics here. Now here's the impact, that how much impact that you get. So you can compare you will get this impact feature in the upgraded version of this Hotjar. Now funnel is also a part of the premium version. So let's talk about the premium version. So let me show you. So upgrade your plans. Here it is. Experience analysis is now simply next. Here is the free plan and here is the growth plan. So you have to pay $29.40 per month and you will get all the premium feature from here. And for example, if I go through that section here, like back and voice customers, experience analytics, and I just next come to the voice customer, and you can find pro plan here that actually included all the features here. It also you can book a call and set a price for it. So that's pretty much all thing about Hotjar. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.